Welcome back to Real Travel Reviews. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the Embassy Suites by Hilton Right by Miami International Airport. Is this all-suite hotel the perfect stopover or base for your Miami adventure? Let's find out. Stepping into the accommodations, every room is a two-room suite. This provides a spacious living area separate from the bedroom, featuring modern seating and tasteful art decor, perfect for relaxing after a long flight. For those needing more space, larger suites offer an expanded living and dining area complete with a sofa, dining table, and a convenient wet bar. It's an ideal setup for families or longer stays. Now, let's check out the bathrooms. They are designed to be spacious and functional, with many featuring both a bathtub and a shower. The hotel also offers well-equipped accessible bathrooms, ensuring comfort for all guests. Moving to the public areas, the hotel's lobby makes a grand impression. It's a vast, open space with modern seating arrangements under an ornate chandelier, creating a welcoming and upscale atmosphere for arriving guests. When it comes to dining, the hotel has you covered. The main restaurant features a well-organized buffet area with plenty of dining tables and various food stations, making meal times easy and convenient. The restaurant itself is quite spacious, offering multiple seating areas to accommodate guests comfortably. The decorative lighting adds a touch of elegance to the dining experience, whether for breakfast or dinner. A highlight for many is the complimentary breakfast buffet. You can expect a great spread that often includes favorites like freshly made pancakes and a wide selection of other hot and cold breakfast items. For a more relaxed setting, the hotel's lounge areas are perfect. You'll find modern spaces with comfortable chairs and interesting artwork, providing a great spot to unwind with a drink during the evening reception. Adjacent to the main dining space, you'll find additional seating perfect for the evening reception. This area allows guests to enjoy complimentary drinks and snacks in a social, comfortable environment. Let's head outside to the pool and fitness amenities. The hotel boasts a large swimming pool surrounded by palm trees and plenty of lounge chairs, offering a true Florida resort-style escape. In addition to the main pool, there is a dedicated hot tub area. This outdoor oasis is perfect for relaxing your muscles after a day of travel or exploring the city of Miami. The entire resort-style pool area is incredibly spacious. There's ample room for everyone to find their own spot in the sun, making it a major highlight for guests looking to relax and recharge. From the outside, the hotel presents a grand and impressive facade. The entrance, adorned with flags and framed by towering palm trees, immediately signals a comfortable and high-quality stay. The sheer size of the hotel building is notable, housing hundreds of suites. There is also ample parking available on-site, which is a significant convenience for guests arriving with their own vehicles. Beyond the standard features, the hotel offers some unique amenities. The centerpiece is a stunning, multi-story atrium filled with indoor plants and various seating areas, creating a lush, tropical feel indoors. Looking closer at the breakfast buffet, you'll find thoughtful details like cereal dispensers and a fresh fruit selection. These small touches ensure there's something for everyone, including healthier options. Inside your suite, convenience continues with a dedicated coffee station. This allows you to enjoy a fresh cup anytime you want, along with some snacks and drinks from the wet bar area. Now, let's discuss what other guests are saying. Overall, reviews for this hotel are very positive, with many praising the spaciousness of the suites and the excellent value offered. Guests frequently highlight the hotel's convenient location, especially its proximity to the airport and the complimentary shuttle service. This makes it a top choice for travelers with layovers. The friendly and helpful staff also receive consistent mentions in guest feedback. Many reviewers note that the team goes out of their way to ensure a pleasant and comfortable stay for everyone. Let's summarize the biggest pros. The complimentary made-to-order breakfast is a huge plus, offering far more than a typical continental spread. It's a great way to save money and start your day. Another major advantage is the nightly evening reception. Getting complimentary drinks and snacks each evening adds incredible value and provides a wonderful opportunity to socialize without leaving the hotel. Finally, the all-suite model itself is a massive benefit. Having a separate living room and bedroom provides ample space for families, business travelers, and anyone who appreciates room to spread out. On the flip side, some guests have noted potential downsides. Given its airport proximity, some rooms may experience aircraft noise, so light sleepers might want to request a quieter room. While the hotel is well maintained, some visitors feel the decor in certain areas could use a modern refresh. However, this is largely a matter of personal taste and doesn't affect comfort. Because of its popular free amenities, the dining area can get quite busy during peak hours. Be prepared for a lively atmosphere, especially during school holidays or on weekends. Let's touch on pricing. Room rates typically fall into the mid to upper price range for the area, but the included amenities often make it a great value proposition for many travelers. To get the best possible deal, we always recommend booking in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Prices can fluctuate significantly based on demand and local events. For up-to-date pricing and to compare rates across different booking sites, be sure to check out the link we've included in the description below. It's the easiest way to find the best offer. Wondering what's nearby? The hotel is a convenient launching point for cruises, located a short drive from the Port of Miami. The free airport shuttle makes transfers seamless. For shopping enthusiasts, major destinations like the Dolphin Mall and Miami International Mall are easily accessible by car, offering a wide range of retail stores and dining options. If you're looking to explore further, the vibrant neighborhoods of South Beach, Wynwood, and Coral Gables are all within a 15 to 25-minute drive, depending on traffic conditions. Here's a tip for your stay: take full advantage of the complimentary airport shuttle. It runs frequently and saves you the hassle and cost of a taxi for your airport transfer. When checking in, don't hesitate to ask about room location. If you prefer a quieter stay or a room with a view of the pool, the front desk is usually happy to accommodate. Plan your mornings accordingly. The made-to-order breakfast is very popular, so arriving a bit earlier or later than the peak 8 to 9 a.m. rush can help you avoid the biggest crowds. Beyond the key amenities, the hotel offers a full suite of services for travelers. This includes a 24-hour business center, which is perfect for those needing to catch up on work. The hotel is also a popular venue for meetings and events, featuring extensive and flexible conference space. This makes it a great option for both business and leisure groups visiting Miami. For those looking to stay active, there is a well-equipped fitness center available to all guests. In addition to the fantastic outdoor pool we saw earlier, ensuring your routine isn't disrupted. Let's dive a little deeper into the dining. The made-to-order breakfast includes custom omelets and pancakes, cooked right in front of you. It truly elevates the morning experience. The breakfast buffet also includes a wide array of continental items, such as pastries, fruits, yogurts, and cereals, ensuring there is something to satisfy every palate and dietary preference. The evening reception is not just about drinks. It also includes a rotating selection of light snacks. It's a perfect pre-dinner appetizer or a light meal if you're not too hungry. This hotel is an excellent choice for families traveling to Miami. The two-room suites provide essential separation, allowing parents to relax after the kids have gone to bed in the other room. The large pool area is a huge hit with children, and the complimentary breakfast means one less meal to worry about. making the family vacation a little more seamless and budget-friendly. So, what's our final verdict? The Embassy Suites by Hilton Miami International Airport offers fantastic value with its spacious suites and complimentary food. It's an ideal choice for families, business travelers, and cruise passengers. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Real Travel Reviews, and check the description for booking links. Thanks for watching.